Namaste student. Today we're going to learn a new chapter, tangent to a circle. Before we start, let's define few terms. Here we have, what is circle? A circle is the collection of all points. That means collection of all points in a plane. This is your plane which we cannot catch. Okay, which are at a constant distance from a certain fixed point. That means collection of all points. See, these all are the points we are collecting and we are drawing, and we are getting what the result, that is your circle. Collection of all points which are at a fixed distance. Have you seen? Constant distance. That means if we take this point, all have a same, what we call radius. What? From a fixed point. This is your fixed point. You take here, take anywhere, they have a constant distance. If they follow this rule, and we'll get any figure, and that figure is called a circle. Okay, so here what is called a line segment joining any 2 points on a circle. That means if you take any 2 points, this is your point C and D, you give a name and join them. This is your chord. What we call chord. Remember, a line segment is a line segment, not a line. Next, what is secant? A secant to a circle is a line which intersect the circle in 2 distinct points. That means when the chord you change it into line segment, then that line segment is called, not line segment, that line is called secant. See the difference between chord and secant. Chord is a line segment. Same thing, 2 distinct points. Similarly here 2 distinct points, but it is a line. Okay, now you draw this way, and at the end you are getting a point through which a line pass, and then this special line have a special name. It's called tangent. So what is tangent? A tangent to a circle is a line that intersect the circle in exactly 1 point. See here, exactly 1 point is touching. Then this line have a name called tangent to a circle. Okay. So now we have 3 cases: circle and line. When line and circle are not intersect or touch, then simply this line is called line and the circle, okay, circle. But when this line touch the circle, then this line have a special name called secant. When line touches the circle at a point, and here 2 distinct point, then secant. At a point, tangent. And this point is called point of contact. So here we have definition. The point where the tangent touch the circle is called point of contact. Tangent word come from Latin. Okay, Latin words tangere, which means to touch. See, it's touching. That's why the name has been given by our Thomas Finke. Okay, a Danish mathematician. Now we have a case where you can see the number of tangent can be drawn on a circle. So through a point from the inside, see, from the inside you cannot draw a tangent. So if we draw a line through a point P, it become a what? If we draw a line, we are getting a secant. It's not a tangent. So number of tangent through a point P which is inside of the circle, 0. No tangent. Okay, number of tangent is 0. In this case, if we take anywhere on the circle, here you will get 1 tangent. If we take here, only 1 tangent. Here if we take 1 tangent. Okay, only you can do a tangent through a point, but on the circle there are infinite number of tangent. On the circle there are infinite number of tangent, but on a point only 1 tangent you can draw. Through a point, only 1 tangent. Okay, so number of tangent here 1. And if your point is outside the circle, see, it is on the circle, it is inside the circle, and it is outside the circle. Through outside you can draw two tangent. Yeah, so this is your three cases. Okay, thank you.